Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a partitions in Windows 11. Currently I'm having only one partition, that is C drive, so I'm going to divide it into D drive. So for that you need to right click on this PC, click on show more options, click on manage, click on disk management, or you can open directly. So just right click on Windows icon. You can see option called disk management. You can click on that. It will navigate to the same page. So currently I'm having C drive. So I'm dividing into D drive. So for that you need to click on, just right click on C drive. There is an option called sync volume. Click on that. It takes a few minutes. Here you have to enter the volume. So it is asking in MB. So I'm dividing into 500 GB. So I'm giving 000 and then click on sync. Now you can see it got divided into two partitions. One is C and another it was not allocated. So to allocate it, just right click on that, new sample volume, click on that, click on next, click on next. So here I am selecting a letter as D drive. So D, click on next, click on next, click on finish. You can see new D drive has been created. Let's verify from file manager. You can see new D drive has been created and it got allocated for 500 GB. Thank you.